morning traders. How are we all doing today? I'm so happy ES is not at 6,700.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How's everybody doing out there, man? Let's get it. Let's get it. I hope you're all doing well. ES is not at 6,700. Thinking about taking some longs, man. Thinking about taking some longs if we see a little bit more of a dip. What's going on, Craftsman? What's up, brother? Let's see if we can keep this fucking streak going. Things are looking well, man. We've been doing very well. Yeah, I'll be looking to try to get long, man. Really. This is the chart since I got back. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby. I haven't really had any major blowouts. Not too shabby, man. So let's talk about it. What are we doing here? NQ and ES both look to be in pretty good spots for taking longs. Oh, wouldn't you know it? Look where they went yesterday. Look where they went to my fucking magic arrow. Look where they went. If I was here for the London session, this was at London, no? Yeah, this was at London. Yeah. Yeah, this was London. If I was here for London, I probably would have got long. It didn't really give a good setup, but still. Still, man. Let's have a look at some things, man. Let's have a look, man. You know? Let's look at it. It's fucking bouncing directly off the line that I had drawn. You fucking assholes. You know, wait till I'm at the chart, man. You gotta wait till I'm here, bro. Uh, 67. Quite the level, 67. This top of this 4 hour looks pretty interesting to me. For a little springboard action. Let's see what that looks like on the smaller time frame. Yeah. That's the one. That's the ticket right there. Maybe a little dip. Maybe a little dipper into here. 67. What a level. What a crazy level, man. Fuck, these longs yesterday ended up playing up into the end of the day. Wow, we were short. I would have got stopped out for sure. Lost huge. Take all the liquidity and then dump it all the way down and then pump it again. What a bunch of dirt bags. What a bunch of dirt bags these guys have been. Rubus. Quite the moves yesterday. 6,700. 67. I think this goes at this point. Yeah. You saw where it went, right? I had this fucking arrow on the chart from yesterday. It's right there. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. I was here at like near my computer at London session too. I could have took it if I was, but I looked at the clock and it was like 3. I was very busy today. I looked at the clock and it was 3:17 here, and I'm like, oh fuck, we're 20 minutes into it already. What can you do? What can you do, man? You know, what can you do? Anyway, all we can do is just look at the market now and see what we can do. I'm still thinking long though. I'm thinking this area. Retest of this 4-hour candle. Retest of this 4-hour. And we'll look at BTC in a sec. Just a retest of that. Maybe just stops down here. What's that worth? It's gonna be like a long kind of soon, man. He stops down here, right? It's $50 stop. Son of a bitch. Or it could try to wait for this down here. That's probably more smart. Get some of these fucking lines off the chart, dude. It all becomes too much for me. There's just too many lines. Fucking. Basically this thing too, right? Where's that? It's around the same level. It's basically that. So it's basically that. Basically this is where we should start buying, really. Front run of that and buy it all the way down. I'm gonna try getting some orders in there. I'll put my stop here. What's that worth? $41. I'm gonna keep this kind of tight. Something like that. Maybe move these around just a tad bit. I'd like to get more than just one. Looks like we're filled. It's like we're filled for 4. That was quick. Didn't even let me get my fucking order in there, man. I guess we're filled for 4. I don't even have my stop in there yet. $181 try. I don't really want it much lower than that. Give it to there. just a tiny bit more. And this should be 5 too. All right, we'll give that a go. It's kind of a wide stop, really, man. But what are you gonna do? What can you do, man, when you live in a shoe? You know. Yeah, BTC. Let's have a look at it. Bitcoiners. Right, the 4-hour close, yeah. Here. Yeah. I don't know. I think we might just smash, man. That's it. Hard to know. Hard to know. This is a good area for re-ads if you guys are missing it. This area here. I did buy that. I did buy this down here, you know, not that. I bought this down here. 8.8, 108.7. I put it in the Discord. 108.7 is basically the bottom. Yeah. I feel like it's going to be like ripping, like I think that ES is going to rip too, man. Like I think it's just going to be like an all market kind of pump kind of deal. Everyone wants lower. Yeah, I just don't think it's going to happen. I mean, even I want lower. I have like 15K still sitting in cash. Didn't get it in. You know. I think too many people want lower. Too many people, I think, want lower is the problem. It's the area to watch. Yeah, and there was tons of people waiting for 104. You know there was, right? Lots of people had their eye on that spot. You know? So I think that's basically all that they're gonna give. It's either that or they're gonna sweep it hard and go down to like 90 or something crazy like that. And take like a whole bunch of liquidity. We're only gonna get 4 here. I think we should talk about PTs for ES. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna take? Take 1 here. I think we just take 1 here and the rest like at new highs. I think that's the plan here. Just 1 here. Yeah, that's gonna be the plan. 1 here on this gap. And then 2 more here and a runner. Or maybe 1 there and then 2 more for all time. Nah, I will take 2 more on the sweep of this. There's also this, like I should really put the PT there, no? Yeah, I think I should. ES in the 4 hour. There's this giant 4 hour failure to gain kind of play. They've already kind of touched it, but I don't know. Can always just do both, right? One here. Oh, do I have a stop up here? Yeah, that was a mistake. One here, and one here. We'll see if we get just a giant pumper. I hope it's not like yesterday where it's like just range bound for fucking a year. I'm so fucking bored today. Nice, you got some longs on Aster? Cool. Cool, man. I should really trade more crypto. Like trade it like on leverage and stuff. I just you know, I don't know, I just focus on this and then that's it. I end up just focusing just on the futures. And then the crypto I just do, you know, basically just spot at this point. Maybe I'll set up that my crypto funding account again and use that for like longer term stuff. I guess you can even do it on leverage. Like you can trade the shorter time frame on that too. Did any of you guys take the long there for ES? The Aster platform really is ass. Yeah, I would imagine. I would imagine, bro. Man, I have this one villa I manage. The fucking owner is just like the cheapest motherfucker that I've ever met, man. You know, I just want to throw him. Took the longs, yeah, good. I just want to throw him in the garbage. I hate him. We were like buddies too before, and then like now I just kind of hate him because he's so cheap. I can't take it anymore, man. Stop being so fucking cheap, dude. Like he like grinds me for like $12 and shit, you know? It's like I just want to be like, dude, man, like fuck, I can't take you anymore. You know? Fucking argue with me over fucking $10. Get out of here. I just can't take it, Robust. I can't do it anymore, man. You know? Honestly, I don't even know why I'm doing this villa manager thing. I should really just focus on fucking trading, man, and I'd probably be a hell of a lot happier. I can't take the cheapness, man. I understand wanting to save money and shit, but like you don't get anywhere by like trying to fucking nickel and dime your way to fucking freedom. You know what I mean? It doesn't work like that, dude. Gonna be a real big difference if you make, you know, if you make $30 less next month or whatever. Like fuck, man. Dumb cheap. Yeah, no shit, man. That's a good saying. Dumb cheap. Yeah. Like, I understand you want to be cost effective, you know, and that type of shit, but like, you need to understand when you're running a business, sometimes shit happens and you need to pay for it. And like, I'm the one that's overseeing the operations, man. I'm not the one that you want to be coming down on and like, you know, pissing off over fucking $10, you know. It's just like it's like, dude, it's week in with week out with this fucking guy. It's like, you know, I don't even want to talk to him. You know, because I already know it's gonna be like some argument about fucking $10. Yeah, it's crazy. At least I got an ES long. This could really solidify my week, man. I'm fucking just having a banger of a week, dude. Did you see this performance thing on the week? On the last, since I've been back, like I came back on the 16th. Look at that. Up 1,200 per account since I've been back. Times 6. That's great, dude. That's fucking awesome. Yo, BDP. I'm already long. You missed the long. We long, baby. I wish I would have got it in London. Look at the chart. Look where it went, man. Look at my fucking arrow. Look at the arrow on the chart, man. Look at the goddamn arrow, man, I put yesterday. Look at the arrow, dude. God damn it, man. You know? Fuck. I just got long. They just did a retest right now. Like, we'll see if it plays. I'm looking pretty strong. I still have one more entry below. If they do dip it one more time. Not my favorite stop, but what are you gonna do? I'm just happy that we're not at 6,700. NQ, same thing. Yeah, nice entry on NQ too. I had it marked a little higher, but yeah, same shit. I think that's it, man. I think that's it for all markets, really. I think it's gonna be blast off mode. Long 722, nice. I really think we're gonna see a blast off. Do we have news coming today? What's the deal? What is the deal? Let's check it out. Anything? Oh, there's something. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock ISM numbers. Whatever that is. ISM. Got to be careful with that, you know. You never know what's going to happen with the ISM. Yeah. What a dirt bag yesterday though, man. Like, we were short, we would have all got stopped out. I don't know, I was short anyway. You were longing yesterday, weren't you, Rubbus? Did you keep your longs yesterday? Into the end of the day? Would have been epic. It's crazy. You did? Nice. And then you sold it. You sold it, I would imagine. Yeah, on a break of the highs. Break of the local highs anyway. Up here. I mean, if you're trading prop, you would have needed to sell it. Like they blasted it right to the end of the day. Long 669. Nice, dude. That's fucking awesome, man. That's a great trade. But closed way too early. I asked if you held it into the end of the day. I was planning on holding the short into the end of the day, but it didn't pan out. Panned out after the fact. Fuck, man. Look at this. If we were around. If we were just around a little bit more. Yeah. Even this, man, I want to hold until up here. Just some trying to get some big trades in here. Nice. Yeah, man, I would have made way more money if I was scalping yesterday. I watched I watched the account go from plus 200, plus 250 to 0 3 different times. You know what I mean? Dude, so I met another guy that fucking that bought a villa, just bought a villa 2 doors down. He literally paid 3 times as much as I did for mine, and his is twice as worse. Like that one's twice as worse. I think I'm pretty sure these units that I bought have tripled in value. It's a bit weird though because they're on like a leasehold, right? But like I bought them at in COVID, so it was dirt cheap times. But I'm pretty sure they've like tripled in value because that guy, like what he paid for that villa is like, you know, it's the same kind of villa, but like when I took over construction, I did a whole different layout and everything. So mine is way better, you know. And he paid like 3 times as much as I did. So so I'm pretty sure this one's worth, you know, at least 3 times as much. Pretty stoked on that. When I heard what he paid, I was like, fuck, really? That's great. I didn't have the heart to tell him that you overpaid severely and you know, it's not a very good deal. Yeah, South Bali, near Denpasar, yeah. My business is you'd be able to find me pretty easy, I think, if you knew my business name. So it's in between like the Seminyak and Canggu area, you know, pretty kind of a wide area, but it's around there. South Bali. It's where all the tourists are, man. That's where you have to live. It's a bit busy for me, honestly. I'd rather live somewhere quieter. That's phase 2 of the plan. Have to stay here for like 5 years at least. Get these villas all paid off, then sell them, and then probably move. The rest is just jungle. It's not just jungle. There's lakes up north. There's volcanoes all over the place. You can still be closer to the beach too. You just need to go a little bit more, like a little bit down away from the Seminyak area, like down towards Tanalot. It's just quieter. All the beach clubs and all the fucking crazy action is in Canggu and Seminyak area. There's a lot of traders. Yeah, there's tons of traders here. There's tons of like digital nomad people. Anybody who works from a laptop, tons of that. Tons of e-commerce people here. Because like honestly, Bali's the best. It's literally the best. For cost of living, like you can live in a beautiful place for like pretty reasonable price. You can get fucking food delivered to your hand for, you know, dirt cheap. Like honestly, for the food delivery alone, it's worth it to live here, man. Yeah, tons of like Instagram traders, you know the type. You know the type. Go to the gym a lot. Don't really make many trades. 50% hit rate or whatever on 1-to-1 fucking trades. I mean, I could make enough money to live in the West, but like I still choose to live here because like here I live like a fucking king. You know, you literally can live like a king here for what you pay in the West. Not worth it. Even my girl, man, we just got back from a trip from Europe and like she was like, holy shit, man, like you weren't joking. Everything's like literally triple the price. It's too much, man. I haven't been out of Asia for a while. Like that was the first time in 3 years I've been out. Like it is fucking noticeably more expensive, dude, everywhere. Asia, not so much, but like, you know. Asia, not so much. You know, even when prices raise in Asia, you go from paying $2 to fucking $4 for your food. That's not that big of a difference, you know. Everybody drives motorbikes, so filling up gas goes from $5 to $8. Who cares? So like you don't really feel the inflation here that much. Because it's like everything's so cheap already, it doesn't really matter. All right, man. Looks like pump confirmed. BDP, are you long, man? Let's go, dude. You just fucking smash in already. You're gonna need to wait now? I don't know. Streaming World of Warcraft, trying to make a living in Sweden. Yeah. I mean, it'd probably be barely scraping by anywhere, just trying to make streaming work. I did go through my analytics yesterday, but let's go through it again today. It's pretty funny, actually. My streaming analytics for revenue. Earnings. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do from the start of the year. 2025. January 1st, 2025 to now. Update. All right. All right, so we've streamed 160 hours and we've made a grand total of 87 cents. 160 hours of streaming for 87 cents. Thanks for that, Robus. I appreciate you, man. Wow, man. I should really just try to maybe quit trading and just try to make it as a streamer in Sweden. What do you think? You think I can do it? I don't know. Robust is good for a bit here and there. You guys don't need to give me any bits, man. It's fine. But I appreciate the joke. Honestly, the reason I stream is just to fucking talk to somebody, man. Trading's fucking boring. Just sit around here all day, watching fucking lines on a on a page. It's the worst. It's nice knowing what's going on, but it's nicer to talk to people about it. I think I'm going to remove this last one here. So we need to let this trade just cook for a bit. We got about 45 minutes till the market open. I hope we don't see a dip and rip. I should really just give this a little bit more. What's that worth? 63 times 4. Can't do that. Have to be there. I'll have to be there, man. What dip and dip? Come on, man. Don't talk like that. Talk like that. I'm already long. I think we're new highs now. The dip and dip was yesterday. They went to the level, bud. They already went there and they pumped it back above the notorious 67. No more dips anymore. Let's just go. I should really just adjust this a little bit more to make this one too. I keep forgetting I'm trading prop, right? So like I have to be done by the end of the day. I can't have like wild targets. Dip and dip. Get out of here with that talk, man. Get the hell out of here with that talk, man. All right. Jump on voice. I got to put these headphones in. Maybe I'll get my my earbuds going again. I don't like wearing these giant headphones. You kind of watch this area on NQ or on NQ also. Just this, clear of this. If they clear that, and then if ES doesn't get to my spot, then I'll be taking a PT, just pushing it. Kind of expecting them to clear that. BDP, what's up?
What's happening, Jay?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Good. Had a good day yesterday. Took it easy this morning.
Fuck, I wish
I didn't think they were going to do...
No doubt. I wish we were here for London, man.
Yeah, I thought they were going to wait. Like, I saw the pump yesterday, so I actually got excited. I thought we were maybe going to just be... I thought we were maybe going to be up at the highs at the open and then flush it. So it kind of played out differently how I was thinking, but yeah. All good.
That was kind of the move that we were looking for yesterday, right? So
exactly, like right to the level.
Yeah, I know it's a little bit frustrating to watch, right? Because I'm like, fuck, if I was around, there's 100% I would have took trades there, right?
Yeah.
So a little frustrating, but what are you gonna do? I think we're just up and away here at this point. Maybe dick around this level, around 6,700 level for a little bit longer, but I don't know if we'll go any lower.
Yeah, I don't think you want to do much below 6,700 again.
No.
Makes sense for a move up to the highs anyway.
Yeah, at least like a challenge of the highs.
Now it's all tested. Yeah. Well, now it's all tested as well, so they can go.
Yeah, they can really blast it.
Yeah.
I would like to keep a runner, but like I have a prop account, right? Like how high do you think this is gonna go in during the session? I don't think it's gonna get up to like 868. You think?
I don't know. I don't know at this point. They could also just fail right here and then excuse me. Fail right here. I don't think it's likely, but it can.
Yeah.
It's hard to 1 hour gap on the ES, like just above.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where I have a PT set.
It's hard, it's the first day of the month.
Yeah. I always find it hard when you're trading prop to like how deep of a runner can you have, right? Because it's like, you're only in it for the session. If I get involved in London, then I'm more keen to hold it for a little longer, Yeah,
it all depends really on the setup. Exactly like you say. If the setup happens in New York, you just got to take the setup. If it happens in London, and you're looking for hold a runner, you can often hold a runner. But we often sweep like the London. We either take the London high out or we take the overnight low out. Like that's going to happen in the day.
Right. Well, I'm going to go for a quick cigarette. Leave you boys to it here for a bit. Let this trade cook. Let us cook here, man. Let us cook. Wait. back. $702, yeah, below 700. I don't want it. I don't want him to go down there anymore. You're right on that one. How are the old stocks doing? Tesla still banging. What'd gold do? Gold pulled back to the 4 hour. Got that news at 10 o'clock. We got market open in 25 minutes. I didn't even have a chance to paint anymore, guys. We did get some new releases though on the old paint front. We got these guys coming up for Halloween special. Let's go. Not bad. I like them. I like the looks of them. I like the looks of them. Look at these guys, man. Dope. We got these guys coming up too. We're probably hanging around this area until the open anyway. Nice little coil up maybe before we blast off. That's what I'm hoping for. A nice coiler.
I'm back.
BDP. Welcome back, brother. Welcome back, man.
Okay. I think it's setting up to be an interesting day, so hopefully we can make some money.
Yeah. I think it'll be another good day.
Either way, the moves are massive, so gotta have your wits about you.
I mean, if we fail here, then we're gonna go low, man. I think, like real low.
Yes, like 66.
Yeah, like way down
10.
there, right? So like lower than this.
Yeah, like yeah.
Lower than the last low.
This is the this is the spot. Like
so, it's either it's either like if they do continue, then we're probably taking out the highs, or if we start getting closes below 700 and lose this level here, then I'll probably look to short and get below this 70.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's kind of where what I think. But honestly, I don't think they're gonna do it, man. Like this is tested now down here, you know. They even like there's nothing left to do down here. This was the last gap that they filled on the way down. So
Yeah.
I'm more in the camp.
No,
that
you're
that they're gonna
100%.
hold.
You're 100% right. So we're looking at the same thing.
Yeah. So yeah, really in the camp that they're gonna hold this and make new highs, or make new local highs anyway, above 43. Probably above 762. But could be wrong.
I kind of want to get into a trade, but I'm feeling that classic. I want to get into a trade, but I don't know which side to go, so
Yeah.
gotta wait. Such a tricky spot.
It's probably better to wait till the open anyway, just because you're probably gonna have some, some wildness at the open. You might be able to get some kind of a long in or a short. Yeah, it's unfortunate you just showed up just late. You know what I mean? Like they just did the move in this leg.
Yeah.
So just you kind of have to wait now.
I had a great day yesterday, so there's no rush either.
Yeah. Yeah, you did have a banger of a day. It's that NQ short, man. Shit. Banged
I got
it.
lucky, kind of like because I did it twice, and then and then I closed out my position when we made the new low, walked away, and came back an hour later, and we were like ripping. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, man. I wish I could trade like into the end of the day. You know, it's just way too late. Like that last day, I stayed up until 2:30 in the morning. Man, I was dying. Gold dumping. Yeah, I don't know if they hold this 4 hour. This kind of is the spot to hold it though. Yeah, everything's tested here. This is the kind of the area to be taking a trade for sure on gold. Holding this 4 hour for now. Just be a little bit concerned about this gap down here. If they do dump it into there. All right, 13 minutes until the open. 13. Ten minutes. Going to go. Maybe I'm gonna go grab a coffee. I think, so I can wake up a bit here. Be back.
Are you there, Jay? You've been quiet. Oh, we went to get a coffee.
All right, man. What are we gonna do here, boys? Is ES just gonna come all the way back down to my entry here? I hate you. We're gonna play this game again today, ES. Again?
Oh man. I really wanted to get short up in like the 6-12 area, 7-12 area.
We're gonna play this game again. 3 minutes.
What if we go to 6,600 today?
I don't know, man. I'm still in the boat that we're gonna gain, re-achieve, and just go on the tick.
Yeah.
I think we might have a little washout here, and then go. That's what I'm hoping for, anyway. All right, 1 minute until the open. Could be a little bit of a spicy open here, boys. No doubt. Might as well call it stablecoin. It's back. It's basically back at 6,700. God damn it. All right, here we go. See what we got. Markets are open. We be open, boys. Looks like they're trying to defend. Gain on the tick. Let's go. Nice move. Nice move. See if we can make something of it. Oh, smacked.
What are you delayed, Jay?
Why? I'm delayed? What do you mean?
Maybe I'm hearing you. Yeah, it got smacked. It got smacked like before you said smacked.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks okay.
And I'm still in the boat. This is going higher, man.
Yeah. I'm long.
Did you long on NQ also? Just
yeah,
ES?
Yeah. There you go. First profit. I got 2 left. I had 4. I got 2 left. Oh, I had such there. 749 is my entry.
Let's go. Look at this move. Look at these moves. Let's go. That's an impulse, boys. There's a PT, boys. Let's go. The rest is runner. Stop and profit. Stop and profit.
Fucking 2 minutes of work, boys.
Let's go. Let's go, man. LFG.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go, boys. This is the last possible spot.
Locked in.
This is the last possible spot that it can go. I got 130 locked in. 130 locked in and 150 open. I think this runs.
20. Here's 720. Yeah, it can run. 720. This is a zone.
Oh, let's go. Still pushing, man. That's it, man. Let's go. We're going for the highs. We're going for the local highs.
Push it.
I'm really not in any rush to push these next PTs, man. Like this is
No, don't.
You know what I mean?
Looking good.
This is looking pretty good, to go for higher. Let's fucking go, man. What a crew we got here, man. Everybody's just banging out winners, dude. Rubus has been killing it too. Okay, I'm gonna push one more here. Locking in another one. Just runner left. Stop and profit. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Look at that. Another 220 a day. Another 220 day.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go, man. Every day, dude. Dude, it's been like, since I've gotten back, it's been non-fucking stop. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at the screen since I got back. Let's go, man. Like, that's awesome, man.
Dude.
1,500 per account since I got back. That's fucking epic, dude.
That's insane.
In like that's like 2 weeks. Since 2 weeks. That's great, man. That's some great. That's gonna be some of the best trading that I've done like ever. Consistent, you know what I mean? As far as like consistency goes.
Yeah. I've liked your sizing as well. You've had good sizing.
It's a little ridiculous when you show up to the market and you make your nut in 5 minutes and then that's it, you know what I mean? It's just like, okay, cool, thanks. Thanks, markets. This is the best job in the world.
You make your nut. I've never heard that one before.
You make your nut in like fucking 5 minutes and you're out. See you at the beach, man. You know? Fucking A, man.
Exactly.
God damn it. Those 6 years of losing really paid off, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm glad I stuck with it, you know?
100%. I need to make like another grand in these accounts and then I can get a payout.
Yeah, I checked my accounts actually yesterday. I thought they were at in the 60s. They're all in the 50s still. They're at most of them are around 57 something, and then there was two that were a little bit less. But that's still over payout.
Nice.
Like they're at payout. I haven't requested anything to do with payout yet.
Yeah.
Honestly, I want to get him to like 65 or whatever, right? So I don't have any kind of fucking bullshit anymore. I don't want like a trailing stop, like a trailing fucking account blow up over my shoulder at all.
No.
It's the worst, man.
That's the worst. Yeah, I'm past that with these accounts. This will be my third payout in these accounts.
Nice. How is that prop firm? You like it?
They've been pretty decent so far. Like, I haven't blown any accounts. I'm still on my first 3.
Mm-hmm.
And my payouts have been relatively quick.
That's all you can ask for either.
Yeah. So I should go, like, after this payout, I should probably be taken to live. If they follow their rules.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll just withdraw it all. But that counts up nicely. I'm up like a solid amount.
Nice.
The only downside is you can only withdraw 3.5 grand at a time per account.
I mean, that's fucking lots, dude. That is a little bit.
It's more than enough.
Yeah, it's more than enough, though.
It's a little bit, yeah.
what we do. You can always go move over to Apex. They don't have that kind of rule.
Yeah, they just don't allow South Africa.
Apex does.
No, Apex doesn't.
Really?
No.
What's with the South African hate? First top
I don't know.
step?
Once upon a... Yeah, it's like, I don't know. Apparently it's something to do with our monetary system or like our political system where money laundering thing that once upon a time we got put on like an orange list and now everyone's freaking out.
I see. I'm surprised they allow Indonesia, man. I'm sure it's way more corrupt here, man. Like this is not, it's nothing but corruption.
Oh yeah.
And like money laundering. This whole island, though, like the whole Bali island is like put together on fucking Russian gangster money. You know, they're funneling it in here like crazy. So like 100% like that. All the money is not like clean money. It's most of it's dirty.
100%.
It's funny, man. No one checks shit. No one fucking seems to care. No one pays tax. Like it's absolutely, it's a little ridiculous.
Are you flat, Jay? You just got to run now.
I have just a runner left. I might trail stop it too. I don't want to give this back. Just another 100.
Yeah, it's a nice
$111 or $120. Another one. They'll put me up for a decent day. PMI in 4 minutes. Might get out even before that. Maybe I'll just get flat and look to re-enter at 11.
PMI. Is it PMI?
I thought the only data or the only news that was coming was at 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, PMI is at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
At least that's
So
what
you
my
have manufacturing PMI, S&P one at 45.
Oh, really? I don't think it's. Is that an important one?
Can be.
I have it low on the ranking scale.
I have it in red.
Oh, really? Mine says yellow or like the lowest it can be. The only red is at 10. You know, it's just fucking news, man. It doesn't matter at all, right?
Doesn't matter. We break out above 15, 24, 815 here on NQ. I might be long right now. I think really before the news.
I think I'm gonna trail the stop up. I hate to do it, but yeah, I'm putting it right up.
I still think this goes, yeah, there you go. Popped a little bit.
I haven't moved it yet.
I'm not watching your chart.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here's the news. Let's just see what happens. Maybe just stay in this and look for re-entry. Appreciate that follow. Yeah, no impact for the news.
A decent close on the 5 minute for the NQ and ES. Comes a retest on NQ and ES. Tick chart, 5 minute chart.
Gonna see if I can get a re-entry here.
Somewhere kind of right here, even around 20.
I'm looking at the 5 minute, just the 5 minute retest if they do. It looks like NQ already did the 15. ES still has 5 minute below. Just one. Put this down a little bit more, actually. All right, coming up on my re-entry spot. It's kind of a front run of the spot. Decent spot here for NQ too.
I'm watching it.
Really close to the re-entry here for ES. All right, re-entered.
There we go.
Re-entered another one.
Oh, NQ had a nice little 5 minute here. This is where they must hold. Nice rejection.
Might get a stop on this. Just lower my stop just a bit.
Oh, Jay. Hello, yes. Oh. There's a new low on ES.
See what they do with the liquidity. I'm sure people had their stops there. Quite the rejection.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna lighten my size here a bit. Okay, back to just one runner. I really don't like how they put in a new low there, you know?
Yeah, no, that wasn't nice. Kind of, let's see where this hourly closes now. But quite a heavy rejection there.
Yeah, there was kind of a big reduction. Yeah, high time frame looks kind of sus. We'll see how they close it, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But making a new, not holding the range and, you know, not continuing the trend doesn't look very good, right? When he starts doing that. That's why I lightened the load just to back to one runner. Took a little hit, not too much. Good. $20 hit. If this gets stopped, it'll be another $20 or $40 or something. Still okay. Still okay on the day.
Nice.
Four-hour closing here in 6 minutes. 7 minutes.
With the news, so that's going to be interesting. Oh, I kind of want to get short.
We're still holding above 701, right? Or 700, so.
Yeah.
You know, that's the main level to hold. But I have a feeling I'm gonna get stopped out on the rest of this. We shall see, though.
Oh, little pop on NQ.
We're still just holding this to the top.
Yeah.
If they pump this 5 minutes, 4 hour looks pretty good.
Exactly.
Get the fucking AC on here, man.
There we go.
A little bit of a pump. Should have held those,
A
man.
little bit.
It's all right. I still think it was the right decision to take off what I added.
No, that's like one of your strengths, I think, is your position sizing and position management. What keeps you in the game?
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's easy to blow Apex accounts. Like, it's difficult to keep them.
Well, quite the move off this liquidity. They didn't really make a new, like, they still held the swing, right? They did still hold the swing, yeah? Yeah, they did. And Q did not, but ES held the swing still.
So there's that 720 again on ES and the 815 on NQ. News in 2 minutes.
I added again.
Oh, you got more balls than me, Jay. More balls than me today. I'm thinking like, what if this news comes out and we drop to 660?
We'll see. I'll be stopped out then.
We'll see.
I'll be stopped out and still have a profitable day, so it's fine. All right, here we go with the news.
Oh, what they're gonna do? Nothing.
Well, they did make a move though. They made a move
Nothing.
back to the lows on ES.
Oh wow, yeah, ES had a nice little move. NQ didn't really do anything. Oh, I say NQ didn't do anything. It did move
Let's go.
20 points.
Let's go.
There we go.
I'm gonna take 2 off on a sweep of the highs if we get there.
Nice, very nice.
And then we'll just be back to runner.
Very nice.
Rubus got long there too. Let's go.
Nice, Rubus. Nice, Rubus. So what do you think of that 4-hour close now, Jay? What would you be looking for, like, if you were trading?
They already did.
Tested the...
Like
Yeah, so you tested it, like, on the 4-hour, like that bottom of the wick?
Yeah, like they tested the 4-hour, the last move that made the low. That was my initial entry too.
Yeah.
They already did that. That's where I initially got long.
Yeah. So now you would say, so now, like, how
Now-
I would see that is, like, now we, like, closed above that on the 4-hour, you know?
Right.
With a relatively... So that initial retest is a nice trade opportunity.
For sure. It was like at 8:15 when I first got here. 8:15 in the morning they did that move. That's
Yeah.
and that's what I was looking at the top of that 4-hour wick.
Nice.
This
I
was
would
kind-
argue that level comes, like, maybe even more from the left. Like, there's a red 4-hour candle
Sure.
before actually the high.
Sure,
Like,
yeah,
that
yeah.
red close, like, somewhere there.
Mm-hmm.
Argue that that's the level. What makes it nice is even you can go all the way back to the swing high before the all-time high. There's
Yeah.
like a 4-hour level in that consolidation there. It is also that level.
Yeah. That's why you look to the left, right? All the time. It's never just one level. It's like a level that goes across the whole fucking chart.
Exactly.
And the more things you can get lining up, and if there's like fucking fair value gaps in there too, makes it even better. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So now you got to think, what is this 4-hour candle going to look like in 4 hours time? What are they trying to achieve by closing here?
Yeah, it's going to be a move to the high.
Well, exactly. That's what you would think. Sure,
Yeah,
they're untested levels along the way. But if you're trading this on the 4-hour time frame, that's what you got to be anticipating.
Sure. It was a lot of jerking around there, yeah, at fucking 7 at 67. Like if you look at the 4-hour at 6,700, like look, because that was a very significant level, right?
Yeah.
Like it was tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the big washout 6. Crazy, man. A lot of people trying to, and that back and forth like that, back and forth, dude, like that just fucking kills traders, man. Really, on small time frames, that kills them, destroys them.
Yeah. NQ's nearly back at the highs.
Yeah. If NQ makes highs, I'll be pushing my PTs.
Nice. Yeah.
If they make a new
I'll be
4-hour.
taking prop. Yeah.
Train?
So it's so funny. Like I never noticed it really before until I've been on these until I've been chatting to you.
We don't have any. I haven't heard a train in a long time. Yeah, BTC's pumping too. I didn't really give that entry that I had outlined on the chart there.
I know. I was. I had a good read on it. Just didn't execute it. I was thinking we were gonna go lower because I was waiting for ES to go lower, which we went lower today.
Yeah, they did earlier.
Yeah. But
Let's
Bitcoin
go.
never really did that move. Bitcoin already gained yesterday, or the day before, so that was anticipated to go up as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think as soon as they gained 114, pretty much new.
How's ETH looking? I still have a significant portion of ETH. Oh, good,
Oh,
it's up
I
too.
saw it popped quite hard earlier.
Oh yeah.
It was up like 4% when I saw it.
Gain the 4. Probably gain the daily at this point too.
Yeah. Man, I was really thinking we were going to get some like sub 3,500 ETH.
Yeah, well, I mean,
3,500.
38 is already pretty good, right?
Yeah. I had my orders like a little bit lower. I had all my crypto orders were a little bit lower. But it's all good. Because
What's a hype,
I got lots
Maxi?
of long-term holdings.
Yeah, I still have a ton of long-term holdings. I fucking basically using crypto as a fucking bank account. Like a savings account. You know what I mean? Anytime I have extra money, I just like look for a dip. The hype trade we took last week. Oh yeah. What was the ticker again? Hype? Just hype? I actually have a bunch of this. BitX. It's a 2 times leverage one. Have a look at that. That's doing well too. I got into that a little bit ago. Like here. No, here. Hype USDT. Oh yeah, this looks like it's ready to rip. Gain the daily.
What does TIA look like? Just popped into my head. That thing's pretty volatile, and that's often a good. I know some big guys that trade that.
This?
TIA USDT.
Not good.
Not good.
At the lows. At the lowest like ever, basically. Failed the weekly.
There were some big guys that shorted that at the top.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck, even if you got short here at like $11, it still would have been pretty good. I'm sure there was a daily spot where you could have shorted it. Oh yeah, they left a gap too. It was a pretty good entry.
Yeah, there were multiple entries if I remember correctly.
I probably would have got stuck up waiting on this area if I was looking to enter. At around 13 and missed.
Yeah.
But
No, once I had some there were some really big guys that were shorting up there, and once it got below that, they weren't going to let it get back up.
Right, ES. You know, the 6,700 game has been gone on for far too long, brother.
Yeah, you just got to get above the 720 and this thing should pop up nicely. And you can look for the new highs.
I'm just going to get 2 here on deck just in case I have to sell 2. In case NQ blasts. If NQ makes a new local high, then I'm going to take profit targets too.
How many contracts are you?
I have 3 long right now. 3 long from 12.
Yeah, your next profit target is 2. You take 2 off.
Yeah, I take 2 off at 29. Or whenever NQ makes a new high here. They're really close.
Yeah, they close.
Closer than ES.
Let's go NQ. Pump it up.
Are you long NQ now too?
Yeah.
Looks like NQ is going to do it before ES.
Yeah. NQ's just got like a. ES hit like the daily already. NQ didn't quite hit it yet. That's why I took the NQ trade.
All right, I'm gonna take one here. Pretty good.
Nice.
All right, just one runner left. I'm gonna save that for higher. It'll be like a true runner. Appreciate that follow.
But we just got above the. Where we need to get above, Jay. We just spoke about the
I know,
4
man.
hour.
I know, man. Fuck, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
I just don't
You're
want to give
probably
any of
doing
this.
it right.
I don't want to give any of this back, man. Like, you know, I really should just trail
That's a great
this too.
move.
Like it's been just a killer day. Like I'm up 320 per account.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
That's great. I'm not super greedy. You know, I just want to make my smooth $2,000 in the morning, man, and then leave.
Well, exactly.
See you later, Robust. Thanks for coming by, man. Appreciate you. Have a great day. Great trading, man. Robust killed it too.
Did he kill it? Nice one, Robert.
Yeah,
Let's go, bro.
he was long too. That whole range.
Nice. Robert should come jump on voice.
I think he's a little embarrassed. He probably has an accent. It's from Sweden.
I've got an accent. I'm
Yeah.
difficult to understand.
I don't know. I know some people are like that. They're just.
All good.
All right, Robus. Appreciate you, man. We might as well just all get on the fucking mic, man. It's better for trading, man. You get to bounce ideas around.
I'm so used to keeping quiet and like just doing my thing. Kind of difficult. Like when I go quiet, I'm probably doing something.
Sure. You get used to it after a while too. Like after you've been doing it and just talking through all your shit.
Oh, yeah.
It was a little difficult when I first started streaming. I was like, fuck, man, this is a bit hard to like keep focused and like trying to like, you know, describe what I'm doing. It's like ES coiling up underneath this 23 level. Well, I'm gonna go have a victory cigarette. We'll let this cook and see what happens when I come back. Fucking A, man.
Jay.
Let's just look at the chart here again.
There you go. Oh, yeah, you're lucky. Your NQ got that new high.
Yeah, I see that. You see, I would have smashed out right now anyway. It's about the same spot.
Yeah, exactly, as you just took profit. But now if we gain this, then we can go.
I'm not doing any more re-ads or anything.
No, that was the like that. Gave you nice. Gave you plenty opportunity to be long. And then anything you have now, if you took anything like in the upper range, you can put your stop loss like on NQ at like 810.
Yeah, like where they just gained.
Yeah.
Right? 23 on ES, basically, just underneath those swings there. 21, I would put it at. I'm just going to raise it up there now. 20.75. Well, you know.
Look at that beautiful 4-hour candle on ES. Just how we described it.
It's true, man. You know, you put in the work and then fucking eventually one day it just starts fucking paying dividends.
Let's go, Jay. Let's.
Literally 7 days.
If you watched this and made money today, join the Discord.
You know, I just can't, I don't understand how people can't, you know what I mean? 7 days in a row. It's been like every single day. It's been at least $200 or $300 every day.
And you're not risking much. Like, it's all like big risk to reward trades.
Yeah, man.
Good.
Every like the most I've risked is like $200. Like $200 would be the most.
Yeah,
Usually it's more like $150 or $100. You know. And honestly, yesterday, to come out of yesterday making money, like that's a fucking win in my books. You know.
And here we go. Yes.
There it is.
NQ blast off. Let's go.
You still have runner, yeah?
Peeling one runner left. I'm peeling the second, so I got one left now. But I might just trail
Yeah,
this on the tick chart and
I think I might even just flatten it.
yeah.
Fuck it, I'm out. Fuck it, I'm out. I'm out, BDP. Look at this shit. Let's go, man. 400 per account. Let's fucking
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
I'm holding my runner. I'm holding my runner.
Hold it, man.
Until I get a tick failure. Oh, this might happen right here.
What a move, man. I love it when you fucking, you know, you do your TA and then it works out exactly as you thought it was going to work out. It's the best. All right, I'm going for a smoke. I'll be right back, and then that's probably going to be it for me for streaming for today. But I'll hang out with you guys for a
Let's
bit.
go, Jay. Yeah. I got 380 per account locked in.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Dude, we're still be running here? BDP, did you get stopped out? Going in the Discord for receipts. Going into the Discord for receipts, man. We just put this shit out here. Really just like putting this shit out here all the time, man, for people to fucking learn, and not many people come by. It's crazy, dude. It's fucking crazy to me. Literally making $2,000 every fucking session, man. Quite the nice pump on Bitcoin. Let's look at Tesla. Nice Tesla pump too. ETH up 4%. Let's go. Tesla like really close to making new highs, man. Yeah. Might take some profits on Tesla if we make new highs there. I don't want to read. I don't want to go through this again. Yeah, Craftsman. I don't know why either, man. I just don't get it, you know. Like coming to this stream and coming into this community, that little community that we have would be like so beneficial to someone that's just starting. You know, really. I just don't understand, man. People are too greedy, I think, man, is the problem. They want it all right now, you know. They want the Lambos immediately. That's just not how this works. You need to pay, you need to put in your dues, and you need to, you know, figure it out. We're getting a little tick failure here on ES. He does giveaway of funded accounts. Yeah, maybe something we could do, but like, I don't know, man. Like, you need to promote it, you know.
I don't back that. I think you need to have some skin in the game, even if it's like the $50 or whatever it costs you, or the $20 it costs you.
Yeah.
Or the $60 or the $150. That's the like the little bit you feel on the tiny scale, you know. Like
Craftsman was saying before, he was like he doesn't care too much about the Apex accounts because he feels it's only $16. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So he doesn't trade the same.
But that way, like giveaway, nah.
I don't know. You always overtrade unfunded. You should just zoom out, man. Like literally just take setups on the 4 hours. That's it. You know, and just don't only trade those. No, that's basically all the trades that I do. Like we just did. Yeah, like we just did. We just did that. Yeah, it's probably a mindset thing that it's like you don't really care because it's not real money, right? It's only $16. Like if you look at the 4 hour chart, man, like the 4 hour chart bangs, you know? You can really get a lot of wins on the 4 hour chart. You know? You really, really can. Like yeah. Just look at the 4 hour chart. No, this is the daily. On the daily you can get a lot of wins too. But any higher time frame chart, you can just get a lot of wins, dude. Like it plays like crazy. Just break it down a bit. So you could have took a trade here off this, right? Wouldn't have worked out super good, but it worked out a bit enough to get your stop into profit and shit. 4 hour failure here, retest, big dump. 4 hour gain here, retest. You know, like if you look at the 4 hour charts, man, like there's a ton of places where you can make longs, you know, or shorts, you know, really doesn't matter, longs or shorts. Like there is a ton of them, man. So if you just really just pay closer attention to the 4 hour chart, you can you can make a lot more money that way. That's basically what I do. Like my main trading is like I always look at the 4 hour chart. Always. That's the main, especially if you're intraday trading. Like the main thing with intraday trading is the 2 4 hour closes. And you still use the smaller time frames. You just mark out the 4 hour levels, and then when the price approaches it, if there is an opportunity to put a stop somewhere good on a 4 hour level, then sure. But a lot of times you'll have to look at the smaller time frame for entry, be that even a tick gain or whatever, right? Yeah, it's the same thing on ES and NQ. It's the exact same shit. It's just moves a little faster, and stops need to be a little wider. We're still pumping here, boys. I think we're going to this up here. I think we're just gonna go up here eventually. I don't know how to do an arrow. Forget. Whatever. We can take this arrow off the chart now too. Clean up these charts a bit. Well, it's been a slice, boys. What day is it today? Wednesday. We still got half a week to go. Pretty good. We're at $1,000 on the week per account, so $6,000 on the week so far. Fuck me, man. That's fucking crazy, dude. That's fucking crazy. What a run. What a rip. Most of these traders that on out there, they don't do this shit live either, like I'm doing here. Like I haven't even seen many people at all that are trading real accounts. There's this other YouTuber I see. He has a funded account and he trades and he shows all this fucking mishaps too. I'll try to get him for you. I'm sure he was live today. This guy. This guy's not a DJ though. He's an actual trader. I just don't think he's that good. Is the problem. And I think he's a big YouTuber, so like he has 300,000 subscribers. There's the link for you.
Link.
Oh no, I have it on text to speech. He has 300,000 subscribers, so I think he's mainly making money from getting people on the accounts, you know.
Who are you talking about? Jay, who are you talking about?
Yeah.
Who are you talking about?
This guy here, I have him in the I just put it in the what's it called? Why is there an echo, man? Just hearing
Oh shit, that's me.
Oh, is that you? Okay. I can't remember who his name is. I just put his link in Twitch. I can put it in Discord too.
I'm not.
I'll put it in Discord.
I'm not watching.
Yeah. This guy in Discord. But he, I don't think he's that good. I think he's a big YouTuber, so he probably makes a ton of money off referrals, like off referring people to use Top Step. He's a Top Step trader. He does have funded accounts, and yeah, he knows price action, but he's not like the greatest at it. He's not the greatest trader. But he's been on it. He put his whole journey on YouTube basically. So like I've been dipping into his content for years, He's been putting it out there for years. Like 6 years.
Yeah, I remember him like long ago. He was he wasn't good at all.
No,
but he did
like
document his whole journey.
Yeah, he was really bad. And now he's like just like okay, But he's
it's nice to hear that he's okay. Like he's okay at it now.
Yeah. Like he has funded accounts now and But yeah, before he was real bad. He didn't know what the fuck he was doing. Any short enjoyers?
What?
I'm not shorting this, but I think I'm gonna leave it there for the day, boys.
Yeah, we got the bulk of the move. I think.
You know, there's really not much to do. Yeah, it's no sense in throwing away any money. So yeah, tomorrow, maybe London tomorrow though. Like if we push up here into the end of the day and we make new highs, you know, that could be like it depends how crazy this gets into the end of the day. But if we push up to above 56, London could be pretty crazy.
Yep, I will see you tomorrow after. Well, only I'll see you during New York tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to dip in at London if I'm not super busy. All right. Thank you guys all for coming out.
You guys.
Appreciate you guys all. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, man. Thank you.